Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. 2023 is here, and that means new goals and resolutions for most people. Stop in and let us know how we can make a new Kia part of your plan this year. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the all-new 2023 Sportage is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your hands on a new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Happy New Year! I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. Set out into 2023 with the updated 2023 Telluride. Lease the 2023 Telluride S all-wheel drive for $44 a month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Telluride include available heated second-row captain's chairs, Kia's signature 24.6-inch dual panoramic infotainment displays standard on all trims, and class-leading passenger volume. Stop in or give us a call to get into your new Telluride today. We have limited quantity, so act fast.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.